Hello. For this video, we are going to be drawing a camel in a little desert scene. So get your paper, something to draw with. As always, I'm going to use this pen, and let's get started. Now, this is the example of the camel that we'll be doing. I'm going to change mine up a little bit to show that you can have little differences, and yours doesn't have to look exactly like the example. Remember, this is your artwork, so you can make little changes if you want. And it doesn't have to look exactly perfect. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to find a spot in the middle of your paper, and you're going to make like a big M looking shape with the two humps. Then you're going to come to the front. Now you can choose which side you want to go with. I'm going to go with the right side over here. And you're going to go curving out. You're going to go straight up and then curve over and stop. You're going to pick up where you left off. You're going to curve down and stop. Go out, curve down, stop. And now this can be tricky, so pay attention. You're going to curve back up a little bit, stop again. Then you're going to go toward this line a little bit. You want to make sure this stops a little bit closer to this than this goes to this. See how this stopped past this? Then from there, you're going to curve up and over to the top. And then in this space right here, you're going to put your eye. You can make a big eye, small eye, whatever you choose. You're going to go to this point facing down. You're going to curve up for a mouth. And then a little line for the nostril on the nose. Go back up to the top of the head. One ear, two ear. You just go up, over, up, over. Now you're going to come right under here where you have the mouth. And you're just going to go down and curve and stop. Now I stopped to where these two, see how this can go straight up and you can kind of line that up. It's kind of where you want to stop at. Come back here. And you're going to come out, curve around like that. And you're going to see that there's going to be a space here. You want to try to connect those as best as possible. Just like that. When you have that, then you're going to go 1, 2, 3 on the back. And then right under here, 1, 2, 3. You want to kind of end about the same length on the bottom. If it's not perfect, again, it's okay. Then you're going to come to the middle line here on this front section. You're going to go down at an angle, come back, and then connect them so it looks almost like you're making a weird triangle. And then on the front here, you go 1, 2. Same thing here. You're going to come at an angle, stop, go back, connect them, go at an angle, come back, stop. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you got your little feet, and you got whole body and head of the camel with the humps. Now if you have a pencil and you want to erase that mark, you can. If you don't, it's fine. So I'm going to come out here, I'm going to go 1, 2, put a line, and then put a little zigzag wavy line like that for the tail. So there's our camel. Now we're going to draw a little desert scene here in the back. So what I want you to do, anywhere on your paper, above the camel, beside the camel, wherever you choose, I'm going to start here. Since it looks like I got 2 camels, I'm going to go line, and I'm going to have it come up, back down, till it touches the camel. Then I'm going to come here and I'll make a curved line. What that looks like, it looks like you have a bunch of sand making a hill in the background of your desert. Then you're going to come out from the nose, come up, go back down, another curved line, keeping that look of the desert behind them. Now, if you want to, you can put some pyramids, like Egypt or anything like that if you want. I'm not going to, but it's your choice. So I'm also going to come up here and I'm going to draw a sun. I'm going to put a circle. And instead of just doing lines, which you can do if you want, I'm going to do a kind of what I call a starburst pattern. So you're going to go up and curve down, curve out, curve down, curve out, curve down, curve out, curve down. You're going to keep repeating these curves as you go all the way around your sun. Makes it nice and bright. It looks a little better than just having a bunch of lines. So if you want to add cactus or anything else, you can. It's your choice. Now, another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to go. So it looks like the camel's got little furry bits on the back. And there's another thing you can do, which I'm going to show you on this other camel, is if you would like to put like a little blanket or garment on it, you can just come down and over. And then what you can do is you can actually go up and up and over. And you can make little designs on your camel so that it looks like your camel is wearing either kind of like a saddle or a blanket. I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can make any designs you want. It's your choice. So those are options. And as always, options are good. And because it's art, the options are all up to you and up to how you want to do it. Remember, it's all up to your imagination. So I'm going to continue my desert here. So I'm going to come up here, go up, back down, go up, back down, curve, curve. I'm going to do another one coming right here. It's a little closer up, back down, curve, up, back down, curve. So there you go. You have a little desert scene. As always, try to stay creative. Remember, you can do all kinds of things with your imagination. I hope you're able to follow along and have fun. And one last little thing, I'm going to add some tassels here. So what you can do, you come over here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just repeat these little bumps to add little tassels to the bottom of your blanket on your camel. All right, well, I hope you have a great one. Remember, be safe, take care, be creative, try to have fun. Have a good day.